Part 2 of the payroll year-end process involves the following steps: processing the final pay periods of the tax year, checking company and payroll details, checking employee records, comparing the Control Summary and the P30 CC124, and printing tax deduction cards. First, process the remaining pay periods of the year in the normal way. When the final period is fully processed, you've reached the end of the tax year. Now make sure that the company and payroll details are complete and up to date. Open the Company Payroll Details window. Important details to check include the tax registration number and the company's contact details and the tax year. Next, check the employee records. Ensure that every employee's PPS number is specified, or in the rare cases where the PPS is not available, make sure their date of birth and address are specified. Make sure that all leavers have a finish period and a finish date. Check that anyone who started during the year has a start date and other relevant details. Now you are ready to compare the Control Summary report and the P30 CC124. This is a useful way of finding potential problems in your payroll data. Select the Reports, Reports and Payslips menu option. Now make sure Control Summary is selected in the Reports window and then click Preview or Print Report. Next, select P30 CC124 and then click Preview or Print Report. Compare the values in the reports as shown here. The values should match. If they don't, you need to go back and look at your payroll data to find out why. More information about this is available in the PYE User Guide. Next, print tax deduction cards for all employees. Select the Reports, Reports and Payslips menu option. Select Tax Deduction Card. Click Print Report. The tax deduction cards print out. Check these to make sure they're complete and correct. If you find anything that needs to be corrected, make the necessary changes and print the tax deduction cards again. Keep the tax deduction cards in your records. Part 2 of the payroll year-end process is complete.